Hey, I'm Dr. Michael Tebbe with Bright Star Chiropractic. Today I want to show you a video, and I'm just going to expand more upon something I've already shown you in another video, and that's being on your elbows like this and doing head movements. So this was a patient I saw recently. She's been doing online schooling. She's in her last year of university. And because of all this sitting, her shoulders are like real forward like this. And there's all this just tension. I mean, she'll even get like burning pain if she sits too long in her upper traps and stuff like that. So really, this is our body's way of saying that there's not enough movement going on. So we're going to show in this video of like a way you can start to work on that. So you want to be able to so when you're doing this, make sure you're pushing the elbows into the ground. You see how my shoulders like come up away? See, this would be just like kind of our usual sitting posture. Our shoulders are up by our ears. Everything's all collapsed forward. So as you push the elbows into the ground, it's almost like you're doing this with your elbow and pushing. So that helps engage your serratus anterior muscle, which don't worry about so much, but it's what helps keep your shoulder blade stuck up against your body instead of it just being sticking out. So you push it in there. Now think about like how we sit all day. We sit kind of in this C-shaped posture. So now we're reversing that, which is just amazing. Because you need to stretch your spine out the other way, otherwise you're going to get stuck in that C-shaped posture. So pushing the elbows into the ground, nice big open chest. Note, if this is hard, one, you're going to have to practice it some if you're really stiff. But this is a great time to go see somebody like myself, a movement doctor, so they can help you restore the movement. Because if you're fighting against your body to be able to do the movement, then getting some adjustments and some muscle work, soft tissue work to restore the mobility in those tissues so you can do this, then go do it. It's just going to make your progress a lot faster, a lot easier. So again, pushing the elbows into the ground. Let that chest be nice and open. I know I'm talking during this, but you want to be breathing into the belly as well. So you should feel your belly pushing into the floor. Feel this. Try to keep your glutes, your butt muscles relaxed. So from here, you're just leading the movement with your eyes. With your eyes. So you can do like 20 up and down. And then 20 looking over the shoulder. But you can really let your spine like whole move. Because now my whole mid-back is bending and twisting. So it's like if you've been sitting all day, now you're getting all this great movement in your spine. It keeps it healthy. And it's good for your nervous system too, all that movement. So check that out. If you have a desk job, then I want you doing this before you go to work, if you're working at home, or even if you're going to an office, and then do it again. It takes a couple minutes, if that. But you're going to notice, like, it just makes you feel refreshed and better. And, if you're not sure about that, if you don't believe me, just try it out for yourself. Obviously, if there's pain with any of that stuff, go see somebody. And again, be gentle with it, but start working on those movements so you can start to stretch all this out and get back to your posture. That's the way it should be. Again, I'm Dr. Michael Tebbe with Bright Star Chiropractic, serving the West Los Angeles area. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you like the content, please subscribe. Take care.